What's going on, my dudes? This is Mr. Gardner and this is Math Time with Mr. G. This is going to be your linear functions test review. So how do we use lines to predict things in the future? So a couple vocab. Arithmetic sequences are when we add and subtract numbers to patterns to know what the future terms are going to be. So just a quick reminder, this is any term that we're looking for is equal to the first term plus the term that we want to look at minus 1 times the common difference. Line of best fit is also known as the trend line, and it is the line that goes through a scatter plot to predict future data. F of x, that just means function of x, and that's the same thing as y. Positive, negative, and no association, that's in reference to scatter plots, and it's saying, does the line go up, does the line go down, or is there no line at all and it's random? Weak or strong associations is saying, I draw a trend line through my data, will my trend line predict it super close, or is it, there's a iffy chance if we get it? Domain is all of our x values, and it's how far left to right our graph goes. And then range is our y values, and it's always down to up. Okay, so I have a couple graphs for us. I want us to find the domain range of each graph, and then I want us to just do a quick review. Is it a function? So my domain is how far left. Well, it stops at -1, and it goes from forever to the right. And then our range is how far down does it go? It's going to keep going for forever. And how far up is it going to go? It's going to go up for forever. So if it goes both down for forever and up for forever, we say all real numbers. And then, is this a function? I'm going to do my vertical line test and draw a line straight down. It crosses once, twice, so we're going to say no. Here, domain, left to right. If forever goes left, forever goes right, so all real numbers. And then range, how far down? It stops at -4. And then it goes up for forever. Is this a function? We're going to draw a line straight down, and it only crosses once. So this is a function. How far left? Forever. How far right? Forever. All real numbers. How far down? Forever. How far up? Forever. All real numbers. Is this a function? Draw my vertical line down, crosses once. Once means yes. All right, what's the 20th term in the sequence? I'm going to write my explicit form equation, and then I'm just going to plug in my values and solve. So the 20th term in this sequence is 39.5. My first term was -8. They wanted us to find the 20th term, so I replaced with 20. And then my common difference was they were adding 2.5 each time. What's the line of best fit? That's also a trend line, so I'm just going to draw a line that kind of goes through everything. Well, my y-intercept is 5. And now let's find our slope. It's going down 1 over 2. So down 1 over 2. And what's this association? I would say that this is negative because it's going down, and I would say it's strong because it's all close. So if I saw an answer on a multiple choice and they said R is 87, I would say that that is a reasonable answer. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. Other than that, be kind to each other, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.